Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISC Topper Classes. Here we are going to discuss exercise 5.2 question number 1 to 8 of ML Agarwal class 9th mathematics. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. Let us solve exercise 5.2 here. So we have to solve the first part here by elimination method. So 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Here 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Here this is the, let it be the first equation and let it be the second equation. On multiplying this second equation with 2, we will get as 4x minus 4y equal to 4. And let us add this to cancel out 4y from here. So 3x plus 4y equal to 10. This will cancel out and here we will get 7x equal to 14. On cancelling, here we will get x is equal to 2. Now by using x is equal to 2, from the first equation we can find the value of y. So let us use this part here. 3 into 2 plus 4y equal to 10 here. So 4y is equal to 10 minus 6 here and 4y equal to 4. So from here we get the value of y equal to 1. Hence, the value of x is equal to the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the final answer in this question here. So this is the answer here. Now let us solve first second part here, which is 2x is equal to 5y plus 4. Here 3x minus 2y plus 16 equal to 0 here. To find this, we can multiply here with 2 and here with 3 and here with 2. So let it be the first equation here and this be the second. Firstly, we'll multiply here with 3 and here with 2 to make it 6x and we will cancel out then this 6x. We can write this part as 6x minus 15y equal to 12. Now here we can write this part as 6x minus 4y equal to minus 32. So we will subtract here, subtracting, let it be the third and let it be the fourth equation. So subtract 4 from third, we will get here as minus plus and here also plus. This will be cancelled out. Here we will get minus 11y equal to 44 here. This will be cancelled out. So we will get y is equal to minus 4. Now we will use this y is equal to minus 4 to find the value of x from the first equation. So let us put it in the first equation. Here we will get 2x is equal to 5 into minus 4 plus 4 equal to, we can write this as 20 plus 4 minus 16 and 2x. So on cancelling this, we will get minus 8. So x is equal to minus 8 is the, hence the value of x and y is the value of x is equal to minus 8 and y is equal to minus 4 is the final answer here in this question. Let us solve here second first part, which is 3 by 4x minus 2 by 3y equal to 1 and here 3 by 8x minus 1 by 6y equal to 1. We can firstly take the LCM in the first and second part to form it as an equation here. So let us start. On solving the first part, we can write this as on multiplying with 12, we will get here 12 and here we can write it as 4, 3, 12 and 4, 9x minus 3 into 4 is 12 and 2 into 4 is 8y. So this is the first equation. Let it be the first equation. Now here we can write this part as 8 into 6 is 48. So here 48 and 8 into 6. So 6 into 3 is 18x minus 6 into 8. So minus 8y. Let it be the second equation. Now on solving this part, we can write this part as, firstly we'll multiply here with 2 to form it 18x. Then we'll cancel out this on subtracting. So 18x minus 16y equal to 24 and here 18x minus 8y equal to 48. On subtracting this part here, let us subtract these. Let it be the third equation. Subtract second from third, we will get here on subtracting here as This we will subtract, then again minus 8y equal to, here we have got as on multiplying 12 into 2 24. So here it is on subtracting we will get 4 and it 2, so minus 24. Now we can cancel out minus from here. Here we will get 3. So y is equal to 3 here. Here in by using y is equal to 3, now we can find the value of y here, x here, sorry. So from the first equation we can write it as 9x equal to 12 plus 8 into 3 here. So it is 12 plus 24. Here we can write this as 6 and here 36. So 9x is equal to 36. We will cancel out here. So x is equal to 4. So hence the value in this question is the value of y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 4 is the answer here in this question. Now let us solve second part here, which is 2x minus 3y equal to 3. Here 2x by 3 plus 4y plus 1 by 2 equal to 0. On solving this, we can multiply this first part as, let it be the first equation and let it be the second equation. We will multiply and take LCM here. So let us take here 6 and here 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So we can write it as 4x plus 6 into 4 as 24 y plus 2 into 3 here to 3 equal to 0. On solving this part, we can write it as 4x plus 24y equal to minus 3. Let it be the third equation. Now we can here multiply with 2 to form it 4x, and on subtracting we'll cancel out that part. So let us write it as 4x minus 6y equal to 6. Let it be the fourth equation and let us subtract these 3 and 4 equation. So this is cancel out. On cancelling out here we will get 30y equal to, on adding this we will get as 9. So y is equal to minus 9 by 30. So it is minus 3 and 10. So minus 3 by 10. On solving this part here, we can put here, by this putting we can find the value of x here. So putting it in the first equation we will get as 2x is equal to 3 plus 3y. Here 3 plus 3 into minus 3 by 10. So here 3 minus 9 by 10. So 30 minus 9 divided by 10 is equal to 21 by 10 here. So now we can write it as 2x is equal to 21 by, here we have got it as 21 by 10. So we can multiply here with 2. Cancelling it, we will get x is equal to, it becomes 21 by 20 as the answer here in this question. So the value of x and y here we have got, x is equal to 21 by 20 and y is equal to minus 3 by 10 here. So this is the final answer. Now let us solve third question, first part here, which is 15x minus 14y equal to 117, and here it is 14x minus 15y equal to 115. So firstly, let it put by this equations as first and second. Here we will subtract firstly and then add to find the it in the simplest form. So let us subtract here. On subtracting first and second, we will get here as x minus y here, or x plus here. So it will be minus plus y equal to minus, here we will get 2 here. So x plus y equal to 2. On adding first and second, here we will get as 14 plus 15x as 29x, and here minus 29y equal to 243. Simply we can write it as, so it will be 232 here. Now we can take 29 as common, x minus y equal to 232. So x minus y is equal to 232 divided by 29. On cancelling this part here, we will get 8. So x minus y is equal to 8 here. Let it put us as the third equation and it be the fourth equation. Now we can find the value of x and y from 3 and 4. So let us start solving. Here we will firstly add. So x plus y is equal to 2 and x minus y is equal to 8. So on simply adding x, y will be cancelled out, and here 2x is equal to 10. So x is equal to 5 is the answer here. Now by putting x is equal to 5, we can find the value of y from the third equation. So y is equal to 2 minus 5. Here we will get minus 3. Hence the final value of x and y is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 3 is the answer here in this question. Let us solve your third second part, which is 41x plus 53y equal to 135, and here 53x plus 41y equal to 147. Let it be the first and second equation. Now we can firstly subtract and add to find x and y. So subtracting first and second, we will get here as minus 12x and here plus 12y equal to minus 12. So now we can take minus 12 as common. We will get x minus 1 equal to minus 1, 12. This will be cancelled out from here. So x minus y is equal to 1. Let it put be the third equation. Now adding first and second here. On adding first and second, we will get minus, firstly here we will get 94x plus 94y equal to um, 282 here. On putting this, we can write this as 94 as common. So x plus y equal to 282. Here we will get x plus y on solving as 3. Let it be put the fourth equation. On using fourth and third, we will firstly add to find the value of x from there. X minus y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to 2. So y will be cancelled out. Here 2x is equal to, here it is 3. Sorry. So 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 2. Now we can use this x is equal to 2 here to find the value of, from the third equation, the value of y. So x is equal to 1 plus, sorry, here x minus 1 is equal to y. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to y. Here we can solve it. So the final answer here is, hence the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1 is the final answer here in this question. Here the fourth first part here is x by 6 equal to y minus 6. Now we can write this part as x is equal to 6 y minus 6. So x is equal to 6y minus 36. So let it put be the first equation, and yeah, the next equation in this question is 3x by 4 equal to 1 plus y. We will cross multiply here. We will get 4 plus 4y. Put it be the second equation. Now we will multiply this first equation with 3, so that on subtracting we will cancel out 3x from here. So it becomes 3x minus 18y equal to minus 108. So on writing this part here, we can write it as 3x is equal to 4 minus 4, minus 4y equal to 4. Let it would be the third and fourth equation. On cancelling, on subtracting this third and fourth, we will get here 3x minus 4y equal to 4. Here 3x minus 18y equal to, here minus 108. Here we will subtract it. So 3x will be cancelled out. Here we will get plus 14y equal to 112. So y is equal to 112 divided by 14. Here it is 756. Now 7 into 8 is equal to 56. So y is equal to 8 here from this. Now let us put this value in the third equation to find the value of x from here. So 3x minus 4 into 8 as 32 equal to 4. 3x is equal to 32 plus 4. We can write it as 3x is equal to 36, and it is x is equal to 12. Hence the value of x and y, the value of x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 8. So this is the final answer here in this question. Let us solve for second part here is, which is x minus 2 by 3y equal to 8 by 3. Here 2x by 5 minus y equal to 7 by 5. So let us multiply here, we will write it as 3x minus 2y equal to 8. Here we will get 2x minus 5y equal to 7. Let it put be the first equation and second equation. Now we will multiply this first with 2 and this with 3 to cancel out 6x from here. So 6x minus 4y equal to 16. Now 6x minus 15y equal to 21. Let us subtract this part from here. We will get 11y equal to minus 5 here, so y is equal to minus 5 by 11. Now we will put here in the second part or in the first equation to find the value of x. So 3x is equal to 8 plus 2y. Here we will get 8 minus 10 by 11. On solving, 88 minus 10 by 11 equal to 78 by 11. So x is equal to 78 by 11 into 3. We can write this part as 78 by 33. So it will be 26. So 26 by 11 is the value of x here. Hence, x is equal to 26 by 11 and y is equal to minus 5 by 11 is the final answer here in this question. So this is the whole thing to find the value of x here. Now let us solve fifth first part here, which is 9 minus x minus 4 is equal to y plus 7. Second equation is 2x plus y equal to 4 minus 3y. We can write this part as 9 minus x plus 4 here minus y minus 7 equal to 0. So we can write this part on taking firstly we will add and subtract here. So we will get here 13 minus 7 minus x minus y equal to 0. On subtracting it, we will get 6 minus x minus y equal to 0. Now we will take minus x minus as common. So x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. So from here we will get x plus y is equal to 6. Now we can find the value of here the second equation from here. So 2x plus 2y minus 4 plus 3y equal to 0. So it will be 2x plus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. Put it be the second equation. On solving here, we can firstly multiply this with 2. So 2x plus 2y equal to 12. Here 2x plus 5y equal to 4. We will subtract here. We will get minus 3y equal to 8. So y is equal to minus 8 by 3 from here. Now by putting the value of y in the first equation, we can find the value of x, 6 minus y here. So 6 minus plus 8 by 3. 18 plus 8 divided by 3 is equal to, we can write this as 26 by 3. Hence the value of x is equal to 26 by 3 and y is equal to minus 8 by 3 is the final answer. Now let us solve fifth second part here, which is 2x plus x minus y divided by 6 equal to 2. Here x minus 2x plus y divided by 3 equal to 1. We can solve it as 12x plus x minus y equal to 12 here. So 13x minus y is equal to 12 as the first equation. Here 3x minus 2x plus y is equal to 3. X plus, it is minus on solving, minus y equal to 3. Put it as second equation. Now we will subtract this to cancel out y. So 13x minus y equal to 12, here x minus y equal to 3, minus plus minus here. So this will be cancelled out. Here we will get 12x equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 by 12, which is 3 by 4. Now to find the value of y, we can write as x minus 3 here from the second equation. So 3 by 4 minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 12 divided by 4. So minus, we can write it as minus 9 divided by 4. So this is the answer here in this question. Now let us solve sixth question here, which is x minus 3y equal to 3x minus 1 equal to 2x minus y. Now we can simply take out 1 equation to solve it. So x minus 3y equal to 3x minus 1. Here x minus 3x is equal to minus 3y equal to minus 1. We can write it as minus 2x minus 3y equal to minus 1. Minus when we take common, so 2x plus 3y equal to minus 1. So this will be cancel out. Now we can write the second, put it as the first equation here. Second equation is 3x minus 1 equal to 2x minus y. So 3x minus 2x plus y equal to 1. So x plus y is equal to 1 as the second equation. Now we can multiply this equation with 3 to cancel out y on subtracting. So 3x plus 3y equal to 3. Now we can subtract these both equations. 2x plus 3y equal to 1. Here 3x plus 3y equal to 3. So it will be minus minus minus. This will be cancel out. Here we will get minus x equal to minus 2 here. And this will cancel out. X is equal to 2 from here. On putting 2 in the second equation, we will get the value of y. So y is equal to 1 minus 2 here. So minus 1 is the answer. Hence, the final answer here is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1 is the answer here in this question. Let us solve seventh first part here, which is 4x plus x minus y divided by 8 equal to 17, and 2y plus x minus 5y plus 2 divided by 3 equal to 2. On solving this part here, firstly we will take LCM to find the first equation. 8 into 4 is 32x plus x minus y equal to 17 into 8. So here from here we will get 33x minus y equal to 136 here, and this is the first equation. Now to find the second equation we will take LCM again. 6y plus 3x minus 5y minus 2 equal to 6. So it will be y plus 3x, 6 plus 2 here. So 3x plus y is equal to 8 is the second equation. Now we will solve here. So 33x minus y equal to 136. Here 3x plus y equal to 8. We will add this equation here. So this will be cancel out. Here we will get 36x equal to 144. X is equal to 144 divided by 36. So 1 8 here and 7 2 here. This is 9. This is 36 equal to 4. So value of x is 4 here. Now we can put the value of x to find the value of y. So 8 minus 3x from here. 8 minus 4, 12 here. So minus 4 is the value here. Hence, the final value here, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 4 is the answer here in this question. Now let us solve seventh second part here. So here we will get as x plus 1. X plus 1 divided by 2 plus y minus 1 divided by 3 equal to 8. And the second is x minus 1 divided by 3 plus y plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 9. On solving this part here, we will get 3x plus 3 here, and 2y minus 2 equal to 6 into 8 as 48. We can write it as 3x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 48. So the first equation from here we will get as 47. So first is this equation. Now to find this equation, we can write it as 2x minus 2 plus 3y plus 3 equal to 9 here, equal to 9 into 6. So on solving this part, we will get 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 9 into 6 as 54 minus 1. So 2x plus 3y equal to 53 is the second equation here. Now we can find from here only the value of x and y. So firstly we will multiply this with 2 here and this with 3. We will get 6x. Then we will subtract those equations to cancel out 6x from there. So 6x plus 4y equal to 94 from here, and here 6x plus 9y equal to 159. So let us subtract these equations. We will get, on subtracting, as minus 5y equal to 159 minus 4 as 5 from here, and 15 minus 9 as 6. So minus 65. Y is equal to 65 by 5 from here. So it is 1 and 3. Y is equal to 13 from here. To find the value of x from here, we can put here 2x is equal to 53 minus 39 here, and 53 minus 39 from here, it is, on subtracting here we will get 4 from here and 1. So 2x is equal to 14. From here we will get x is equal to 7. So the final answer here is x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 13 is the answer here in this question. On solving 8 first part here, 3 by x plus 4y equal to 7 and 5 by x plus 6y equal to 13. We can substitute here as 1 by x equal to a to solve these both equations. So 3a plus 4y equal to 7 and here 5a plus 6y equal to 13 here. So here we can multiply this first equation and second equation by 5 and 3 to cancel out 15 from here. So 15a plus 20y equal to 35, and this is the third equation from here, and here 15a plus 18y equal to 39, and this is the fourth equation. Now we will subtract this whole thing. So here we will get on subtracting as 2y equal to minus 4. So y is equal to minus 2 from here. To find the value of a here, we can put in the first equation here. So 3a is equal to 7 minus 4y. 7 plus 8 here. So on solving, we will get as 8 plus 7. So 8, 15 here on solving 3a. A is equal to 5 from here. And now we have to calculate here as value of 1 by x. So we will put the value here as a. So x is equal to 1 by a from here. So 1 by 5. From here, the final answer here is, so here from here we have calculated 1 by 5, the value of x. So x is equal to 1 by 5 and y is equal to minus 2 is the final answer here in this question. Now let us solve 8th second part. So the first equation is 5x minus 9 equal to 1 by y and x plus 1 by y equal to 3. We can calculate as 1 by y equal to b. So 5x minus 9 equal to b, and here x plus b is equal to 3. We can put it as 5x minus b equal to 9, and here x plus b equal to 3. First and second equation on solving, we will firstly add these equations. On adding here, this will be cancelled out. Here we will get 6x equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 by 6 as 2. Value of x from here is 2. And now we can find the value of 1 by v from here. So b is equal to, y is equal to 1 by b from here. We can write this as, firstly here we will find the value of b by putting in the this equation. So x plus b is equal to 3. Here b is equal to 3 minus 2. From here it is 1. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1 only. Hence the final value here is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 from here. This is the answer here in this question.